Welcome everybody to the AI in Action course by Performance Labs. The purpose of the next 2 hours is to take you through 6 very distinct modules. Goal here is for you to leave with practical ways that you can leverage AI immediately. Okay, so now going into using the deep research prompt that I've included in the sales playbook. So I've cut and pasted this prompt. The purpose here is to give you an industry analysis before a prospect call. And we used one of your live prospective customers, Bitterroot Furniture. So now I've got this entire overview of what I need to know going into this meeting, from competitive analysis to industry headwinds, anything you need. But like we discussed earlier, you can now upload that to Notebook LM. Super easy to use, off-the-shelf tool. You can see I've uploaded that full research report, and now I have a mini large language model referencing only this research report, giving me a summary, giving me an executive summary, and now I can also prompt it with questions about the industry. So here I've put in a basic prompt. What are the challenges facing the industry, right? I just want a few nuggets from this full research report. And again, this notebook is referencing only the knowledge base of that furniture research study that we assembled through GPT Deep Research. That concludes Module 6, and I'm sure you're all wondering what's next. So this is your new AI toolkit. You should now know the basics of how to use the large language model tools that we reviewed today. We looked at GPT, we looked a little bit at HeyGen, 11 Labs, and also Notebook LM. And before we go, I want to say just one more thing, and that is, please remember, this is not a technology moment. This is a moment of learning, of education, and of coming together as a team to form your individual sales AI strategy. It was great to meet all of you. It was great to go through some of these live examples. Thanks again, everybody. Take care.